Governor Indra Sena Reddy Nallu was present at the Good Friday program at Mariam Nagar Church in the capital on Friday. The governor prayed along with all those present there and wished for the welfare of the people. Good Friday is basically a religious holiday celebrated by Christians. This festival commemorates the crucifixion, death and resurrection of Jesus Christ from the tomb. The festival is celebrated as part of the fasting on the Friday before Easter Sunday during Holy Week. Good Friday is a big event for Christians. Governor Indra Sena Reddy Nallu was present at the Good Friday program at Mariam Nagar Church in the capital on Friday. The governor prayed along with all those present there. In an interview, the governor said that on the occasion of Good Friday, he went to Mariam Nagar Church. Jesus Christ was crucified on this day. So Christians are praying on this day.
इधर गुड फ्राइडे विशेष बोलने के लिए और उन लोगों से क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी के उन लोगों से पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आए हैं। आज वो सब लोग फास्टिंग है और क्रिस्त को जो सिलवा चढ़ाए ये दिन वो ध्यान में रखते हुए फास्टिंग कर रहे हैं। हम वो उनसे पार्टिसिपेट करके उन लोगों के साथ है ये बोलने के लिए और उनको बेस्ट विशेस बोलने के लिए आए हैं।
The governor further congratulated Christians on this day. Reported by Amit from Nagar, Chini, Khorang.